Sawdust might seem like a waste product to some, but for gardeners, it's a treasure trove of possibilities. This simple material offers incredible benefits for your plants and soil, transforming the way you grow and care for your garden. Let's dive into 3 creative ways you can put sawdust to work in your garden and see the difference it makes. Using sawdust as mulch is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your garden. A layer of sawdust around your plants, whether they're fruit trees or vegetables, does much more than just make the garden look neat. It shields the soil, helping it stay cool during those scorching summer days and keeping it warmer when the temperatures drop. This temperature balance helps plants thrive, even in unpredictable weather. Sawdust also works wonders for controlling weeds, blocking sunlight so those unwanted plants don't get a chance to grow. And let's not forget moisture retention. With sawdust covering the soil, water doesn't evaporate as quickly, which means you'll spend less time watering. Over time, as the sawdust naturally breaks down, it adds organic matter to the soil, making it richer and more fertile. It's a simple step with big results for your garden. Another great use for sawdust is in building garden beds. It's especially useful if you're dealing with tough climates, like frosty winters or blazing hot summers. Here's how you can do it. Start with a cover crop like mustard plants. These crops are fantastic for boosting soil health. You don't need to remove them entirely. Just level them down with or without cutting. Then, add a generous layer of compost to provide nutrients. Finally, cover the entire area with a thick blanket of sawdust. This top layer is a game changer. It protects the delicate microbes in the soil, which are essential for breaking down organic material and releasing nutrients to the plants. In winter, it keeps the soil insulated, shielding it from freezing temperatures. In summer, it blocks the harsh sun, keeping the soil cool and preventing it from drying out. The moisture retention is incredible, cutting down on how often you need to water. And as time goes on, the sawdust slowly decomposes, enriching the soil and feeding your plants. This method doesn't just build a garden bed, it creates a thriving, resilient ecosystem for your plants. Sawdust is also an excellent choice for growing mushrooms. It's surprisingly simple. All you need are poly bags, sterilized sawdust, and mushroom spawn. Fill the bags with sawdust, add the spawn, and seal them up. The sawdust acts as the perfect growing medium, packed with nutrients that mushrooms love. Once your mushrooms are ready to harvest, the leftover sawdust doesn't go to waste. You can add it to your compost pile, giving back to your garden in another way. Sawdust truly is a gardener's secret weapon. Whether you're using it as mulch, creating a robust garden bed, or growing your own mushrooms, it offers a sustainable and budget-friendly solution to many gardening challenges. Don't let this valuable resource go unused. Put it to work in your garden and watch your plants thrive. For more tips and ideas, be sure to check out my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to discover even more ways to make your garden flourish.